Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. See that back there? We're going to use it today to put Christmas lights on that tree. So stick around, watch the video. First time using a lift. Let's see how it goes. We'll be right back. So Lawn Dogs, what we got here is the nifty TM50. Goes 50 feet in the air. This tree, I think it's about 52 feet just because I measured it off an app. We'll see. But anyway, yeah, so these are the controls. These lay down the legs here. This is the ground controls. Then we got the bucket controls up there. But yeah, this is what we're going to be using today. So sit back, watch. Now let's see how we light this tree up. You ready, Tyler? You gonna get in the bucket? Nope. Coward. He's a coward. All right, Lawn Dog, let's do this. Get this camera set up. So hey Lawn Dogs, lesson number 1, if you need to go around a Christmas tree to light it up, you actually need a lift that will go around the Christmas tree. New lift. Lesson number 2. So if you got to decorate a 50-foot tall pine tree, you cannot rent a 50-foot tall lift. It just doesn't quite get into that top part to put the stars on. Therefore, you have to go and get a 60-foot lift. And a crazy friend whose butt doesn't pucker so much that will be willing to go up there and put those stars up for you. So, new lift. So lawn dogs, this is my boy Brent Anderson. A little bit crazier than I am. I gotta get a bigger lift. So he's gonna go put the stars on top. So check this out. Oh, and he's got a little more lift experience than me. Hey lawn dogs, we are back at the house to take a look at the tree all lit up at night, so let's check it out. Look at that. Here, turn around. Nice. So the 2 stars represent two individual people. One, the homeowner lost a family member, and then there's someone else in the neighborhood who lost a family member. And they wanted the stars up there to represent both of them. And that's what they got. So, yeah. That was fun. That was quite an experience right there. So, hey, I just want to let you guys know. Have a happy holiday season. Enjoy being around your family and friends. Be safe. Always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. It's Floyd, I'm out.